What is table cream? Explained. Table cream is known as light cream or coffee cream and has a milk fat percentage ranging between 18 and 30%, depending on the brand you're purchasing. This cream usually contains no added sugar, additives, or artificial flavors. It is a fresh, pasteurized dairy cream. Generally, it is used in coffee and making other mixed drinks. Uses of table cream. It is essential to remember that table cream has a reasonably high fat content. Sure, it is lighter than whipping cream, but it's not low enough for people trying to restrict their fat intake. Table cream cannot be whipped because it doesn't have enough fat to create the emulsion effect. Table cream doesn't settle well under high temperatures. For this reason, if you want to use this cream in hot sauces or for other cooking, you need to ensure that the heat is low. Avoid boiling the mixture because it will result in a thin, grainy, curdled texture. However, if you have already curdled the cream, you can add thickening agents, such as cornstarch or flour slurries, which can help bring the sauce back together. Table cream is also available in different flavors, the most common being coffee, hazelnut, and vanilla. These make a delicious addition to milkshakes, coffee, or hot chocolate. Table cream can be used for various other purposes, such as in cereal or poured over fruit salads. Many people use it in savory recipes, such as sauces and gravies. It can be used wherever you need a richer, creamier texture. If you have a sweet tooth, this cream can also enhance desserts by adding highlighting touches to your sweet dishes. How to tell if it's fresh? Since it is a fresh dairy product, table cream can only be used within its expiry date. It is essential to check the expiry dates whenever purchasing it to ensure the cream can be used for at least a week after opening it. How to store table cream? Table cream should be kept in the refrigerator to ensure quality. Ensure the cream is stored at a consistent, chilled temperature, but don't let it freeze. If it doesn't taste or smell good, you should discard it and consider using fresh cream. Is it a good substitute? Many ask if they can use table cream instead of all-purpose cream. The answer is no, because there is a difference in consistency. This is because table cream tends to be thicker compared to all-purpose cream. If you need cream for whipping, opt for all-purpose cream. Table cream differs from the chemistry of evaporated milk. Evaporated milk, as the name says, is evaporated milk. Therefore, it is not as high in fat content. Substitutes for table cream. Table cream has many substitutes depending on what you want to use it for. Condensed milk is the first on the list because it is sweet but only suitable for coffee and sweet recipes. Evaporated milk. Evaporated milk has a fat percentage of 6.5, while table cream has 18% to 30% fat content. Clotted cream. Clotted cream is likely to have a milk fat percentage ranging from 55% to 60%, which makes it denser, richer, and creamier than table cream. For this reason, you should thin out clotted cream if you want to use it in place of table cream. Heavy cream is another cream you can use instead of table cream. It has the same flavor. Heavy cream can be used in cakes and other recipes for richness and creaminess. It has a fat content of 36%. Double cream. Double cream has the same flavor as table cream, but with a fat content of 48%, it is far creamier and richer. We hope you can see just how versatile and delicious table cream is. Let us know what you use it for. We'd love to hear from you.